Hello guys, and be welcome to another inbox review on the channel. This time I'll bring you the Lokomotive BR50 from Italerie, model number 8702, and is a 1/87 scale, which equals the HO scale on the train scale. So this one is part of the special build that I'm gonna do for the celebration of the 500 subs on the channel. So to appreciate you guys following me and supporting me, I decided I will give you guys the option to choose. This is one of the models that came along, so this is the one I'm gonna do. I hope I can do a good job with it. Hope you guys are happy with it. So let's see what is inside the box and what is expecting us. So opening the box, we have the instruction manual, and we have a bag full of sprues. So if we open the bag, and it's sealed on this one, this side, let me just cut. And let's open. So we have some decals as well. Happy days. This keeps giving and giving. So we are greeted with two sprues on opening the box. Parts wise, they seem fairly well molded. I don't see a lot of flash. They seem very straightforward. They look really good. Amount of details is reasonable for what you expect for this scale. We have a lot to paint on here. This is gonna be a fun task to do, but model wise and parts wise, it doesn't look that bad. It looks a fairly reasonable, good model. I like the handles on here, they look really nice. The front looks really good, and we have a track as well to do like a little base. Moving on to the second sprue, main body, looks good. How it's gonna fit, that's a whole different story, but we'll see how it's gonna go. But first impression is not that bad. There's a few injector pins here, but they are on the inside, so they're not visible. They have been chosen. We have the coal here, we have the ladders. It seems a fairly good injection. I've heard some horror stories about this, but I don't want to go that way because I would like to try it myself and figure out by myself if it's true or not. But we have here the clear parts for the locomotive as well, and then we have the traditional Italerie instructions in a big piece of sheet, and we have how many instructions till we finish? We have 19 steps, so start by assembling the base. Here, second. Start by assembling the base, wheels, and all those kind of things. Then you start with the main body, and to be honest, seems a fairly simple construction. Doesn't look bad, doesn't look overcomplicated build. I might overcomplicate it although, but we'll see how it goes. Apparently you can snap them together. We'll see, we'll test it that. But yeah, all in all, for the horror stories that I've heard before, it doesn't seem a bad injection, doesn't seem a bad plastic spruce. So we'll see how it goes. We're gonna give it a good crack and see how it goes. You guys like and subscribe please, so if you want to see the video of this build so you get notifications. Without further ado, I'll see you guys around, and see you all next time.